Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Jacob. I wanted to film a relatively short video tonight just to show you kind of behind the scenes of what running an affiliate marketing business, what running an online business is actually like. One thing that I see a lot online in this space in particular is people perpetrating the myth that this whole thing is very, very simple, very, very easy, doesn't require any work. You can work an hour a day and then go chill out and do nothing, and money will just roll in. And it really, really frustrates me because 99% of people in this industry that are making good money and have done well, have built a 6, 7, 8-figure business, legitimately are working very, very, very hard to make it happen. So it frustrates me when people really push this image as a sales strategy, because what it does is it means that people get let down, people's expectations are out of control, and when they don't get these crazy results that they're promised in a crazy short amount of time, it gives the industry a really, really bad name, and basically everybody is left with a bad taste in their mouth. So I wanted to film this really, really quick video just to show you what it's really like. It's currently 11:25 p.m. on a Tuesday night. I'm here in Australia, and I'm working. I'm not sitting on a beach. I'm not chilling out. I'm not, doing nothing, and money's just rolling in. I can show you exactly what I'm working on. I can show you the screen. I can show you the screen here. This is my Facebook group here that I manage. So I'm in here. I'm responding to comments, and then I'm also in a Google Doc here, planning some content for this YouTube channel. That's two of the things that I'm working on. I'm responding to some emails, and I'm building some funnels as well. So I've got a few things going on, and it's 11:30 at night. And the reason for that is one of the main reasons that I moved from working a job, working in my corporate finance role, over to running a business like this, is because the return that you get is based on how much work you put in and how much effort you put in to running this business. This is why I'm working at 11:30 at night, because I love it and because I know that I'm going to get a return on my time investment. But the main reason for filming this was just to show people that if you want to get into affiliate marketing, if you want to start an online business, digital marketing, whatever you want to call it, please don't come into it with the false expectation that it's going to be easy, that you're going to put up a few ads, that you're going to build a little website, you're going to drive some traffic, and it's just going to click and it's all going to happen. You need to be working at it every single day. You need to be constantly building new offers and working out ways to serve your customers better, and producing content like this and helping people out like I'm doing in my Facebook group. I'm just in there responding to comments and trying to help people out. I did a live stream in there last night at about 11 o'clock talking about building passive income with affiliate marketing. You need to be doing things every single day because this industry moves very, very quickly. And if you're not constantly moving forward in your business, then you're standing still. And if you're standing still, you're basically going backwards. So this is why I always talk about having a very, very clear strategy. And I'll put a link above to my number one recommendation in terms of a strategy to get started with affiliate marketing so you can make your first $10,000. There's a very, very clear path to go down. And when you understand that process and when you understand that strategy, it makes working late into the night really, really enjoyable, because you've got a lot of clarity. You've got a lot of mental clarity about exactly what you need to be doing, about exactly the things you need to be focused on, about where the return's going to come from, about any gaps in your business that you need to try and improve. And when you've got that mental clarity, it just gives you such drive and such motivation to keep on working, because there's no uncertainty. That uncertainty of not knowing if you're applying the right strategy or if you're on the right path can be a struggle. Now, I've made a video before saying that, a lot of people don't know the direction that they're heading in, and we're all kind of jumping around and trying to adjust. And that is true to a degree, because there is a lot of external variables that you can't control. But what you can control is having a blueprint, is having a strategy that is proven to work, and based on seeing other people achieve it, based on having a mentor achieve it and work through it with you, that if you follow down that path, and you do everything that you can and you react to external factors as they come along, that you're giving yourself the best shot at hitting whatever that goal is. And when you've got that strategy and you've got a big goal in mind, another video that I've filmed recently is about having one very clear goal, and that is the best thing that you can do to motivate yourself. All these people that are watching these motivational videos to try and get themselves pumped up and fired up, it's all temporary. But having that one big goal to really drive yourself forward is the ultimate motivator, in my opinion. That's going to give you the determination, the drive to go to work every single day. And when you combine that one goal with a very clear blueprint, it makes working hours like this really, really enjoyable, because you know the return is going to come. Sure, there'll be ups and downs, but you're on the right path. You're on that exponential growth trajectory that I talk about so much on this channel. So that was all I really wanted to share. I just wanted to shoot a really quick video because I've seen so many people recently really perpetrating this myth that running an affiliate marketing business, running an online business can happen when you snap your fingers and a few hours a day. It's just simply not true. So I thought I'd jump on at 11:30 on a Tuesday night and show you exactly what I'm working on. I'm in my group, I'm engaging with people, I'm building out content strategies for this channel so that I've got videos that can continuously come out and provide value to help build my brand, which is what I'm trying to do here. I'm responding to emails. I'm building some funnels for a few projects that I'm working on. There's a lot going on at 11:30 at night. People leave their 9 to 5 expecting that it's going to get easier. And generally, the people that leave their 9 to 5 and then really want to push on will do more hours. But it's different. It's really, really enjoyable because you're in the driver's seat. You're in control, and you can see a direct proportionate return from the amount of hours that you put in to the amount of money that you make. So you've really got to go into this ready to do the work, but also if you are ready to do the work, you're definitely going to see the returns coming the other way, and it's really, really enjoyable. It's a lot of fun. I love working these hours because I get to receive the return out the other side. I get to engage with people in my group and help them out and see them get results, which is amazing. It's really, really awesome to see people implementing the strategies that I teach and then going and getting results. That's fantastic. That really gives me a lot of drive and motivation. And they're those things that you've got to find along the way to really push you along and push you from, goal to goal, to push you through those milestones from one thing to the next. Just a short little video that I wanted to film just to share what it's really, really like to run an affiliate marketing business, an online business, digital marketing business, whatever you want to call it. It's not all rainbows and it's not all, 4-hour work week and sipping pina coladas on the beach. There is a lot of hard work involved, but it's definitely worth it. It's very rewarding and it's a lot of fun if you're working at something that you really, really enjoy, and it can be very lucrative. So with all that said, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I'd invite you to click the big red button below, then also turn on the little, click the little bell icon, and that'll get you notified every time I drop a new video. I've got lots of content coming down the pipeline. You guys just saw a quick snapshot of the document that I've got there, where I've mapped out the videos that I want to do and the key topics that I want to touch on. There's tons coming down the pipeline. So make sure you click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I drop a new video. And then if you like this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up and any future videos that you watch as well, because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm, and it's really going to help me to grow this channel and get the message and the value that I'm trying to share here out to more and more people every day. That would be really, really appreciated. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you're working on in your affiliate business, your online business, whatever you're working on, and I'll get back to you. I'll answer any questions that people drop in the comments. But that's all I got for today. Hope you have a fantastic day, evening, wherever you may be in the world, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Cheers.